How does an aquarium siphon pump work? A practical application of fluid mechanics. This simple hand pump can siphon water without any electricity or even any moving parts.
Hi, I'm cleaning my fish tank and I'm going to create a siphon.
Just fill the cylinder with water, lift up and down rapidly.
And I put it up and down and then I just shake it up and down.
A siphon is created.
And now it's taking water from there,
Pumping water from the tank
and pouring it in there.
to the bucket below.
Can you please explain?
How does it work? On the downstroke, water is forced into the bottom of the cylinder. This water must come out the top of the cylinder into the tube. Since the tube diameter is smaller than the cylinder diameter, the water must move faster in the tube. The water thus rises in the tube. It falls a bit on the downstroke, but there's a net gain each time you go up and down. When the water rises high enough over the edge of the aquarium, a siphon is produced and it's maintained, draining all the water. To verify, we removed the tube to see if water will shoot out of the top of the cylinder at the fitting.
And yep, it does make it squirt up.
As you can see, it does. In summary, a siphon can be generated by a simple vertical cylinder and a smaller diameter tube, as illustrated in this video. On each downstroke, water rises in the tube. On each upstroke, the water falls, but not as much as the previous rise. This is because irreversible losses, or head losses, are larger on the upstroke than on the downstroke because of the sudden change in area. When the tube is filled enough, the siphon effect keeps the water flowing. This is a very practical application of fluid mechanics. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.